Good morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be doing a very important part of speech, that is conjunctions. What are conjunctions? They are known as connection words. Joining words are known as conjunction, जैसे कि and, but, before, because, these all are conjunction, etc. All those words that basically joins two sentences, two words, they are known as conjunctions. So let's just begin with this. The title of our chapter is the conjunction, right? Warm-up exercises, work in pair, and you have to fill in the blanks with and, or you can say but. देखिए Aman and Dash are friends, तो Aman and Naman, right? Farmer is poor but he is honest, right? So conjunction is a joining word. Conjunction क्या होते हैं? Joining word होते हैं, means जो जोड़ के रखते हैं, which is used to join the words and sentences. जो words और sentences को join करके रखते हैं. Conjunctions are also known as joining words. They are also known as connection words. So I like coffee, my sister likes tea. देखिए I like coffee but my sister likes tea. मेरे को कॉफी पसंद है but मेरी सिस्टर को टी पसंद है. The bus stopped, the man got off. The bus stopped and the man got off. जैसे कि बस रुकी, man जो है बाहर चले गए. देखिए ये got off है, this off is preposition, right? Do you want to go by bus or do you want to go by car? देखिए दो चीजें हैं, choice है. Do you want to go by bus or by car? देखिए कोई भी हम व्हीकल से जब भी हम कहाँ जाते हैं तो हम क्या preposition यूज करते हैं? By, right? The words but, and or, they all are conjunction. A quick recap, the conjunctions are known as joining words. They are also known as connecting words, right? And conjunctions, they join the words as well as sentences. Moving on to the exercise, first is you have to take the correct answers. The elephant is big dash, the cat is small. The elephant तो बड़ा है but cat कैसी है? छोटी है. Meenu is tall but Richa is short. Ritu speaks English and Spanish. दोनों चीजें बोलती है रितु. Do your work quietly dash go out. या तो अपना काम करो या फिर यहाँ से बाहर चले जाओ, or else you can go out. Is this the bucket full of fruits dash vegetables or vegetables? क्या इसमें fruits हैं या फिर vegetables हैं? Will you eat an apple dash banana? Will you eat an apple or a banana? कि आप apple खाएंगे या फिर banana. James work hard dash his brother is lazy but his brother is lazy. The sheep dash goat are grazing. The sheep and goat are grazing, right? So I hope you all understood about conjunctions. They are very easy, and one homework for all of you, that while reading your academic book or any other resource book that you are reading, you will be underlining all the conjunctions that you came across while reading, and you will make a column in your notebook and write over there. And please keep studying hard and stay blessed. Thank you.